I have a lot of pressure washing to do, and my dad ordered this thing. I was a little skeptical about it at first, but it's a pressure washer surface cleaner. And I'm going to show you how this thing cleans brick and wood like sweeping it with a broom. It's incredible. So here's my bricks. This is what I have to clean. Just full of algae and mold, and then the deck. See how dirty that is? I did this section the other day with just the regular tip, and it literally took me hours to clean. This is it right here. And you just put it on like a regular nozzle, and it has these two little nozzles that spin underneath. Now just wait and see what it does. It's incredible. All right, I'm not even gonna put any soap on this. I'm just gonna use it straight. Now I'm going to do it on the wood. That little section there would have taken me about 15 minutes to do with a regular nozzle. I know because I did it the other day. And this thing's under $50. It's just incredible what it does. So I just wanted to share that, and go get yourself one.